Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. In our last class, I have told you a story about three little pigs. Today, I am going to tell you another story.
The name of the story is Monkeys Have Fun. Andy, Catty, and Monty are best friends. They eat, play, and dance together. One day, they decide to play hide and seek. Catty closes her eyes and says, Andy and Monty, go around, hide before you can. Monty hides behind a tree, and Andy hides in a box kept in a corner of the garden. Catty starts looking for them. Monty has a long tail. Catty sees his tail peeping out from behind the tree. She silently goes there and shouts, Boo! She says, Monty, I have caught you. Come out. Let's find Andy together. Catty and Monty start looking for Andy. They see the box in which Andy is hiding, moving on its own. They think it is a ghost and start screaming and running here and there. Andy hears the screams and footsteps of Catty and Monty running around. He plans to frighten them more and have some fun. He moves faster inside the box. Seeing this, Catty and Monty climb up a mango tree and sit there in fear. Andy moves with the box near the tree. Catty and Monty climb higher up. Suddenly, Andy comes out of the box and screams, Boo! Seeing him, Catty and Monty jumps down. Andy laughs and starts running with Catty and Monty chasing him. Children, how was the story? Hope you have enjoyed it. I will show you one picture. Can you see that Ammu and Appu are playing in a slide? Appu is standing at the top of the slide and Ammu is sitting at the bottom of the slide. Appu is standing at the top of the slide and Ammu is sitting at the bottom of the slide. I will show you another picture. Here in this picture, Appu is standing at the bottom. Appu is standing at the bottom. Here in this picture, Appu is standing at the top step. Appu is standing at the top step. Then look here. In this picture, we can see two monkeys. One monkey is standing at the bottom and one monkey is lying at the top of the tree. One monkey is standing at the bottom and one monkey is lying at the top of the tree. The opposite of top is bottom. The opposite of top is bottom. I hope you understand the concept of top and bottom.
Next, we are going to study how to write capital letter O and small letter O. For writing capital letter O, draw a left curve like this. Then join it. Draw a left curve. Then join it. Draw a left curve. Then join it. Draw a left curve. Then join it. Next is small letter O. For writing small letter O, draw a small left curve like this. Then join it. It is same as that of capital letter O. Draw a small left curve. Then join it. Draw a small left curve. Then join it. Small letter O. I will show you once more how to write capital letter O and small letter O. For writing capital letter O, draw a left curve, then join it like this. Draw a left curve, then join it. Draw a left curve, then join it. Capital letter O. Capital letter O. Next is small letter O. It is same as that of capital letter O. Draw a small left curve, then join it. Small letter O. Small letter O. Small letter O. Small letter O. Children, you have to practice this in your worksheet. Now it is our activity time. Today we are going to make an owl using letter O. For that, make cutouts like this. By arranging these cutouts, we can make an owl. So, first we can take this letter O. Then, apply gum. Paste it here. Then take this cutout. Next we can paste these eyes. Then paste it here. Children, how is it? Try to do like this. Also do your worksheets. Thank you children. See you in the next class.